Hello, judges. My name is Omotosha Omiko James,
Hello, my name is Miracle Edapo and I'm co-developer with Samantha Miko James on the Baseline Tooling Hackathon.
and this is our project for Baseline Tooling Hackathon, the Baseline Lights VS Code extension. Our extension brings web platform baseline data directly into developer workflow, so you know instantly whether a web feature is widely available, newly supported, or limitedly availability.
As developers, we often hesitate before using a new CSS property or JavaScript APIs. We open MDN or blog articles just to check support, and that really takes a lot of time and distracts us from coding and doing the main work. This extension, our Baseline Tooling Hackathon, solves that problem. It solves that problem by surfacing baseline guidance right inside our Visual Studio Code.
The first thing I'm going to do is install the baseline extension. For this demo, I've already opened 3 files, one HTML, another one CSS and JavaScript file. Let's start with CSS. Here the extension flag backdrop filter as baseline newly available. That means it's recently supported across major browsers but not yet fully universal. Unsupported or limited features are highlighted inline, so I know instantly what is safe to use. If I hover, I get more details, including one-click link to the official MDN documentation. This data comes live from the web feature npm package and a web platform dashboard, so it is always up to date. As I type new CSS feature, Baseline Light predicts compatibility in real time. For example, if I start typing scroll timeline, the extension immediately tells me it is limitedly availability. That means I know right away before even finishing the code whether it is production ready. In HTML, attributes are also checked. For example, the loading attributes having the value of lazy attribute is marked as baseline newly available. This means it is a modern feature that I can safely start adopting while still in mind not all users may have support. In JavaScript, API also analyze too. For instance, if I use navigator clipboard read text, the extension shows it is baseline status. If a method is limited, I will see it right away, which quick access to the documentation. Baseline Light also generates a compatibility report in the problem panel. Entries are categorized by severities. For example, limited availability appear as warning, newly available as informal. That makes it easy for team to trade support issue across the entire file. Clicking any entries, jumping me straight to the MDN page. The extension is configurable too. In settings, I can choose how the results appear: diagonist only, the problem panel. If I choose the decorator, I get the inline badge, or both, which is the default. This flexibility makes it easy to integrate into different workflow.
The extension is purely built with TypeScript and Visual Studio Code extension API and 2 key datasets which include web features for business status. We actually use Hackathon to parse JavaScript and dictate API usage. I embed the baseline knowledge directly into VS Code. This project actually accelerates the adoption of modern web standards and reduces bugs caused by limited availability features. Thank you so much for watching.